Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and as you can tell by the title what today's video is going to be, I am super excited to be using this new product. Okay, it came out maybe 2 weeks ago, but I finally got it. It took forever to get here. Today's video is going to be a little review on the new Nikki Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette. Oh my god. Let me show you the palette. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this the same thing? Yeah. So on the back of the palette, she did write something on it. It said, it's on the back of the box too. And it says, same thing. Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. I am beyond excited for you to finally see this. My palette in collaboration with Beauty Bay. I'm so grateful for this opportunity, and this time we're going to do it right for everybody. This palette truly showcases my life and personality. You guys know that I'm all about the bright, unique makeup looks, which is so true. That's so Nikki. But this palette also shows a different, darker side of me. I can't wait to see the looks you'll create, from dark and mysterious to bold and uniquely you. This palette is my safe place, my temple, which is why it looks like a temple, and this never would have happened without the support of my glow babies. I love you. Shit, I love you too, Nikki. So this is the palette. Look at how cute this is. This dark temple. We got a tombstone that says makeup shamers, a middle finger, a heart with thingies in it. And then on this side, on the girly side, we have a unicorn, an eyeball with makeup, happy face. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. I'm going to throw in these swatches for this palette so that you guys can see what they look like, and oh my god, I'm super excited. So let's just get into this, shall we? Yeah, I think so too. Alright guys, let's jump into this makeup. Oh, before we do that, I forgot to say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and if you guys do enjoy, don't forget to press that little like button down below. Alright, let's jump into it now. So, like I said, good morning guys. I had to hurry up and put my brows on because, you know, that part just to show you. So, I am using the Morphe Eyelid Primer in Translucent. I actually used this one in my last video as well, and it worked really well. Alright, to start off, I am going to go in with the shade 5 a.m. right here, this dark brown. With the shade Mila is the light brown. Somber, it's like a light pink. I'm actually going to go in with a small definer brush and dip into Amsterdam, which is that royal blue, and I'm going to put that right here on top of the wing liner. gonna do this one really, really fast. I did go super simple with this palette today, only because I had tried to play with Amsterdam a little bit more, and I had to take it off because it just wasn't, they weren't going together. Like, I don't know what it was. I think I just have to play with the palette a little bit more, because the shade Amsterdam and 5 a.m., this one here, so 5 a.m. and Amsterdam, once they blended together, they made like a greenish kind of brown, and it wasn't what I wanted, so I had to take that off. And then I know I wanted to use the blue today, so I had to try to figure out some way to incorporate it. This blue Amsterdam mixed with Slasher made a weird combination too, so that was a little issue for me. I am going to smudge Amsterdam on my lower lash line, so it'll be like a deep blue down there too, and then pop on either Underground, which is this shimmer shade, or this one that I was loving right there, or this one in my inner corner. So I haven't decided which one, but most likely it's going to be all in. There is another one, this one here. It is Ivy, which is this one. So I haven't decided which one I'm going to be using yet, but that'll go in my inner corner. Right now, I'm just going to go in with my face, and it's actually really, really pretty, and the colors are super pigmented. It's just that overlapping them, there's a little bit of difficulty on making them stay true to the shade. And blending it out just made it like I don't know, it made it feel like a little weird. So I wasn't able to get the color that I initially wanted. But I think because of me wanting to use the blue today, that kind of kept me from using the other pastel colors or using the red and the purple, which the red is the one I was really wanting to go in with at first. When I had first opened the palette, the red one, I was just like, yes, that's the shade that I want to use. But I don't know, something told me to use the blue today. I think more because my last video I used the red, like the warm tones, some purple, and I feel like just today was a blue kind of day. So I did just do something really, really simple. Put on some of that blue shadow on top of my liner, and then we'll throw on some more after. So I used my Farsali Skin Tune Blur mixed with the Marc Jacobs Invisible Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer, ColourPop Pretty Fresh Foundation. Morphe concealer, because it's been so long since I've used it. This used to be my favorite concealer. I haven't tried this concealer with this foundation yet, so we'll see how that works. I feel like I have to play with this palette a little bit more, just to see how the colors interact with each other, because they were changing colors as they overlapped each other. So I have to play with it a little bit more, because like I really wanted to love this palette and you know, be able to use it so much. And I mean, they're pigmented as fuck, like they're beautiful, but just them working together is what I'm trying to figure out. My Too Faced Born This Way. Park Avenue Princess palette from Tarte. And I also have this from Kiko Milano. I did a raffle on my birthday and I gave away one of these, the bronzers. This is the shade that I gave them, and it is number 13. This is my favorite shade, but I have it in shade 14 as well, and this one is super dark, so I only use a little bit of this one. This one I used to use just as like my contour, and then I would use 13 as my, like, to diffuse the edges of all of that. This is a Kiko blush in Memorial Biscuit. I used to use this one all the time, and I love it. Super pretty shade. For my highlight, I have Ofra Rodeo Drive. I haven't used this one in a really long time, but I used to use the shit out of it. I love it so much. It's super, super pretty. That perfect champagne-y gold. So beautiful. 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 This is the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist, up to 16-hour wear. This is from e.l.f., one of their new setting sprays. I've tried it a few times, and I haven't seen that big of a difference, but use it again. The mist was beautiful when I first got it. Now it kind of like, just like, sprays you in the face real bad. Like, do you see this? Yeah. With the Luxie 2 and 3 eye shading brush, I'm going to go in with that blue right here in the shade Amsterdam. And we're going to put that on our bottom lash line. formula, which is that light brown. Let's throw on some mascara. I'm using the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I used to use this one for quite some time. While that lash glue continues to dry, we're going to use the Cara lip liner in the shade Hot Chocolate. The Dose of Colors liquid lip in the shade Cork. Perfect. And with the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. I love this. Alright guys, this is the final look. Oh my god, that's bright. So, final look. I got some blue up there, some blue down at the bottom, and honestly, I did go really simple with the palette, just because, like I was saying, some of the colors just were not working together. So if you guys do want a look with a little bit more pop, there's a lot of those bright shades in here. I am really tempted to play with that red, and same thing with this purple right here. They are super pretty. The shimmer shades are amazing. I love them so much, and honestly I want to play with all of them. But if you guys want to see a look or a tutorial on any of the bright shades, then let me know, because I am down to do that. Like, look at this. This is like a minty green. It is so pretty. It's called Ill. Like, it's super pretty. And yeah, so I am ready to play with this palette a little bit more, get a little bit familiar with the formula, and also combining those colors just to see how to make them work together in the right way. But yeah, this is the look. Something very simple. I actually have to hurry the fuck up and get some clothes on because it's late. And this video took longer than I thought it was going to. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Very fast. Get ready with me, kinda, and review on the palette. I think the packaging of the palette is beautiful. I cannot wait to put this on my phone after I get my new case, though, because this marble one is all beat up, so I have to get another case. But yeah, that is basically it. I love the formula for the shadows because they're so, well, I love the pigmentation of these shadows because they're really pigmented, and they really stand out, and I really like that. It's just, like I said, trying to get them to work together, because alone they're really good. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, and if so, please do not forget to press that little like button down below. That does help me out, a little bit. Leave me a comment down below of, let's say, your favorite shade in here, or you can DM me. Same thing as always. I always tell you guys the same thing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I think that's gonna be it, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.